We're just one block from busy Grand Avenue, but we might as well be in another world. You won't find any tourists flocking to this corner of Chinatown. And certainly not to this wonderful store, Mow Lee. This is one of the few surviving stores in the city that make Chinese cure and preserved meat. 老闆娘，你睇你好，我咧參觀下你咧個工場先嚇。It first opened its store in 1856. You heard that right? 1856. That is only 6 years after California became a state. That was also before the refrigerators. Curing meat is the way to preserve meat all over the world. And for 6 generations, this business has been perfecting Cantonese-style preserved sausage, duck, and pork belly, the Chinese bacon. This is the original. It looks like this. The chef primo the duck and then remove all the fat. So this way, the flavor and the curing can go all the way. You see, perfection. Look at the difference, okay? You started out with the whole piece like this. We start with the whole piece like this, okay? All the fat and everything, big chunk. And then by the time you finish, you have this. All the fat is gone. The flavor will get into all of these. And that is handcraft cured meat. No machine can replace this. Back in the days, the air drying was done outdoors. Some said it was on the roof or in the alleyway. Back then, Chinatown probably smells a lot more appetizing. Now here, you see, this is the final product. After it's cured, look at that, ready to be sold. I'm gonna get some bacon.
Okay.
And one of these, whoa, preserved duck. Look at this.
Smell good.
Smells good, smell like prosciutto. So what does it look like when it's all finished? This is how it looks. You know, the duck flattened, and it looks at it's flat because it was weighing down in the curing process. Around here, things are not as flat as a pancake, but as flat as a duck. Look at that. So I'm going to get one of these and some Chinese sausage, and then also, duck feet. I want duck feet. This is good for soup, okay? Duck feet, and also the preserved duck, which is already done like this, beautiful. I'm going to do pieces. Preserved duck, 2 pieces of this. You know, when you go home, you know what you can do? My mom loved to do this. Steam a few pieces of this sausage or preserved duck, cured duck, over rice. You can smell this aroma 3 blocks away. That was my favorite smell when I was a kid, when I was coming home from school. Not only that, you can literally buy something like this. This is actually the skeleton bone, and then the head. This is great for soup, so I'm going to buy a few of these because this is inexpensive and it's wonderful. 嗱，買埋呢個。包晒啦，俾錢。103蚊。全部都齊晒呢度，嗱，多謝收到晒，你都齊晒，咁咧，look at that， 多謝晒，老闆，多謝你，你睇下，下一次再嚟嚇，等我哋再嚟揾你。Smells so good. In my Chinatown, things are not always as what they seem. Sometimes, real treasure can be wrapped in old newspaper. Don't be put off by the modest appearance of this wonderful Mow Lee store. They have been here for over 165 years. Can you imagine? Many of my Chinatown friends' grandparents probably came over here when they were little kids. So come, be a part of history, my Chinatown.